Good morning. I just woke up and able to get out of bed and drank enough coffee to be able to share this. I know not everybody is comfortable leaving their houses right now or just don't live near a Starbucks or a Dunkin' or anything. I'm going to show you how you can make pumpkin spice coffee at home. Now, I only drink cold brew, but when I still drank hot coffee, this worked when you applied it to the coffee and filter before you brew. All right, so what you're gonna need is your coffee, and then you need at least 3 out of the 4. You should have ground cinnamon, ground cloves, pumpkin pie spice, or allspice. As long as you have at least 3 of those, you'll be good. So first we're gonna pour in our coffee.